Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to use Loom Loom video recorder. So I'll just jump right in this video without wasting any seconds. So this is actually the dashboard, but I'll actually show you from the beginning how we create an account. Here's the official website, how it looks like. And now what we're gonna do, we can click on here pricing, and here we can see the pricing. For free version, you're up to 25 videos, up to 5 minutes video. You have key features, screen recording, unlimited transcriptions, video privacy, video insights. I'll show you later on more. Now let's click on get Loom for free, and now here I'm gonna enter my email, and or you can also sign up with Google. Use my work email. Now we're just gonna have to simply go here and click on how you're planning to use, just let's say for education. Just select, and then my workspace, I'm gonna write subscribe for more tutorials. I know, very nice workspace name. That's how I call my workspace. Alright, now if you want to invite some people, but I'm not gonna invite any team members right now. And here we have two options. So decide which type of option you like. You'll go with a Chrome extension or a desktop app. So go with the Chrome extension. I'll go with the one because it's just fast, quick. You can also go with desktop app. I'll show you maybe later on, I'll see, but now let's go with the Chrome extension. I'll click on install here. This will direct us to the Chrome Web Store where you can install, extension. And here we have the actual extension. Look how many people are using. Pretty cool. So now let's click on add extension. I added this extension. And now, once we added the extension, we can go here to library. And now we have the extension here. Okay, we can upgrade. I'm not going to upgrade right now. And here we have the dashboard. I'm in the dashboard right now. I can zoom a little bit. Okay, and now here we have the home. Here where we'll see we can collaborate, of course, with team. We can see our library, we can see notifications, watch letter, history, and settings for personal, and then we can browse. And let's click on first. We can switch to workspaces if you want to. You can show navigation, but now what I want to show you is to click on here, and then here I have Loom, and I'll click on here to pin this, and now I'm going to click on Loom. And here I'm going to allow to use my camera and use my microphone, because if I don't allow this, so of course I won't be able to, you won't be able to record my screen. To record my screen, also you won't be able to record my microphone. So let's allow this, and now I can see my face here. Actually, now there's two face here, face record here. And here we have, we can see the audio here. I can click on here, microphone Pro. This is from MacBook Pro, the microphone from MacBook Pro. But I'll use Samsung Q2U. It's bad. It's good. The microphone from MacBook is not bad, but I'll use the Samsung Q2U. And now the FaceTime here, we can select OBS, but here I can see my face. I can move this around. I can click on here and make this bigger or larger, increase the size. And I can pause, but I didn't start a recording. But now I can click on full screen, so I'll record the entire screen right now. I can record only this window, so let's click back here. I can record only the window or the current window, okay? Or I can record camera only, but I like to record full screen. Okay, so before we start recording, if you are on Mac, something that you need to do is to is to go, if you're on a Mac, is to go here on settings, system settings, and then here on system settings, what you're gonna need to do is to click on privacy and security and scroll all the way down where you see screen and system audio, and make sure you check Google Chrome to allow screen system audio recording. Otherwise, it won't work. So now let's click on back here. I have updated, and now when you click on start, also as I said before, you can select the current theme, the current tab, camera, but I'll select full screen and start recording now. And I'll select this screen 1. Okay, click on share now. And as you can see, if you want, you can use the shortcut option Shift P to pause your video. Okay, so now is recording. Now this video is recording. I can see my face here. I can also use the option, as I said, Shift P, option Shift P to pause the video. So, okay, and if you want, you can also use option Shift L to finish the video. You can also rewind or trim. And now we can blur content if you want, which I think is very helpful. Let's say I would like to blur this part. I can blur this part. I think this is very helpful. I find this super helpful because it will just save you time. So you don't have, you can go on with Premiere Pro, with DaVinci, with CapCut, and just blur the part of the video that you want to blur because maybe you're showing some private information, some information that you don't want to show, maybe your number, whatever. You're recording tutorial, you're showing something to your team, and there's some privacy stuff that you will now want to record, share with your team. You can just beforehand just go here and blur what you want to blur. Super helpful. I think this is super helpful. All right, and now you can click on here. When you click on blur, by the way, you can also clear this, and then you can select what you want, but then clear. Okay, let's go resume content. Now we can restart and then just cancel if you want. It's great if you want to learn the shortcuts. It's gonna save you more time. And now I'll just click on finish. And let me show you now that you can actually also save here, edit. You can add a comment. You can scroll down here. It's going to give you a title, how to record and edit videos. This is automatically, if you actually use the pro version, you'll be able to, it's going to give you like a summary, a description. You can add your videos. You can also add chapters here. And the title automatically is going to give you more, like remove filter words, which is it's just great, saves you some time. You can see the video here, of course, and remove also silence, right? It's gonna help you to make your audio, make sure your audio it just sounds much better. Compare if you were to use, actually you would do it on CapCut. That's what I do sometimes. Or Premiere Pro, you can also do it on DaVinci Resolve, but I know on Premiere Pro it's faster, but it's fast as well on DaVinci. You can also use CapCut to remove, or you can use, after you record it, you can use Loom AI. Now, here you can edit and enhance, edit the video by transcript. You can also edit the video by transcript. So you can trim your video by, transcript, literally by words. So let's say you see this portion. I don't like to remove this part. You can trim that part. You can also enable here this part to remove silence and remove filter words. And of course, with removing filter words, let's say you actually accidentally swear, and then you're gonna have to pause the video and crop that part. Just Loom, this remove filter words, this feature is gonna automatically remove filter words. Great. So now let's say that's done. That's we edited that part. Now, of course, you can also write a document, create a report, close this, write a message or some AI stuff here. But the next thing I would like to show you is stream and stitch. So you can click on here, and then what you'll be able to do, let's say at this part, I can let's say I like to remove this part, and you can scrub through your entire video. You can play the video, you can step back or step forward using the commands. You can also have some shortcuts here. You can also speed up the video, which is great if you want to see the quality, the audio. And then what you can do, you can also stitch it, you can add another clip if you want to. All right, this is great. You'll be able to another click, maybe you want to add another clip for previous recording. You can do it from here. Now, if you want to split the video, you can move your cursor, this playhead, you can move it where you want. You can split and then select that and delete the clip. Or another way, you can also move the cursor and just drag where you want. And now if it's in the middle, of course, you wouldn't be able just to drag because you want this portion, you just want the middle maybe here to remove a portion. When you play the video, you see that I like to remove that part. So you move the cursor, play it where you want, click on split, and then you like to remove this small part here. You can split, or you can use the shortcut. As you can see, you're showing the shortcut. Then you select that portion and you click on split. And then here, you'll be able now to save your video. You can also revert to original. You can also edit by transcript I showed you before. Now let's click on save and edit. And now here we have our video. Now we can click on share our video. We can share now our video with people. We import from Slack. I think it's Slack, Google. Share this with someone, enter their name, their email address, and you can share at an 8 copy link. You can also copy link and select, make sure you change here. Maybe you want to anyone with the link and view, or only people added can view, but I'll select here only anyone with the link and view. You can click copy this link, and now I can give the link to someone and he'll be able to see that video.